door is a God-given opportunity for you personally advance His kingdom. First step diya sa pagpangalagad sa Ginoo is to listen the Word of God. On walking on with the opportunity that God has given unto us, that is the advancement. That is your breakthrough. What is your great achievement upon walking through this arena?
Kini ang adlaw gihulat nga masinati ka pag-usab. Kini ang tapnang gibangan doy, ikaw ang matuboy. Walay ka kumpara, walay ka kumpara, walay ka kumpara. Sa imong guma akong bayawon ka. Imong presensya bulog sa tungod na tagbangsa. Imong presensya budayag tungod gawas nun na.
Gablihan sa Diyos ang putahan ug no one can shut the open door. Symbolic meaning of open door is an opportunity. Then it is abandoning the old and embracing the new. Upon walking through the open door, number 1 is C for servant. Number 2 is commitment, C. Number 3, devotion. Number 4, abiding.
Walay ka kumpara, walay ka kumpara, walay ka kumpara.